Hey there everyone, this video is me reading one of my own stories, and this story is called Makeup Sneeze, so I hope you all enjoy this. I'm putting on the finishing touches on my eyeliner as I look at myself in the mirror. I'm wearing a cute blue dress with my mother's old sapphire necklace, and my hair is tied up in a bun. I was getting ready to go on a date. Suddenly, I feel a familiar tickle inside my nostrils. I tried to ignore it, thinking it's just a small itch. But as I continue to apply my mascara, the tickling feeling gets stronger. I try to swallow and blow my nose, but it doesn't help. I start to panic a little because if I start sneezing during my date, that would be terrible. I started to take deep breaths and hoping the tickle would go away, but it doesn't work. The tickle is still there. I try to hold back the sneeze, but it's getting harder and harder. No, I whisper to myself, slightly pleading for the need to sneeze to leave. But it doesn't. I still feel my nose is about to explode. I tried to distract myself with my makeup, hoping that it will help me forget about the tickling feeling. But as I start to apply lip gloss, the tickle suddenly becomes unbearable. Ugh! I let out a noise of frustration, and my face twists up into an involuntary sneezy expression. I quickly grab a tissue and hold it up to my face, knowing that a sneeze is coming. And sure enough, a big, loud sneeze burst out of me. Achoo! I feel better after I let out the sneeze. And then I put on the rest of my makeup. I smile at myself, admiring my reflection in the... Where was I? I smelt myself during reflection in the mirror. I think that's where I was. I then pick up my favorite hot pink brush to apply my blush. The blush is a glittery golden, slightly yellow blush. It's brand new, and I thought I would give it a try. I then apply it to my cheeks and even on my forehead and around my nose. As I finish applying the blush, I realize that I have put on a little too much, especially around my nose. Some of the glitter powder has gotten into my nostrils. At first, I don't think much of it, but then I begin to feel a strange tingling sensation. I start to sniffle and my nose gets a tiny bit stuffy. I try to blow my nose a few times, but the powder is stuck up there. I'm also starting to feel a little bit of an itch in my nostrils. The itch becomes more and more intense, and I can feel a sneeze building. I start taking deep breaths, trying to hold the sneeze back. Don't sneeze. I keep telling myself, please don't sneeze. Not now. Not when I'm about to go on a date. I start to feel the urge to sneeze getting stronger. My nose is twitching like crazy, and I can feel the itchiness inside my nostrils. I try to sniff and swallow, hoping that will help to stop the sneeze. I even try to pinch my nose shut, but it doesn't work. The urge to sneeze is completely overwhelming. No, I say through clenched teeth. I can't sneeze. No. Why did I put that much powder on my nose? As the urge to sneeze grows stronger, my nostrils start to flare out uncontrollably, as if they're trying to prepare for the explosion. I can't hold it back much longer, I think to myself. And there's so much blush inside my nose that the sneeze is going to be huge. I start to panic, knowing I won't be able to go on this date like this. To think of ways to stop the sneeze coming. I tried to think of ways to stop the coming sneeze, but I can't think of a single thing. My face is contorted with the effort of holding in the sneeze, and now I can definitely feel it coming. I inhale deeply, involuntarily, making my nostrils flare out even more than before. Achoo! I let out a huge sneeze. My eyes, excuse me. I let out a huge sneeze, my eyes shut tight. The force of the sneeze is so powerful that I stagger backwards a bit, and just like before, the glitter powder flies out of my nose like a tiny glitter tornado. Achoo! I let out 2 more big sneezes in quick succession, leaving me breathless and dizzy. I lean against the bathroom door, breathing heavily and trying to compose myself. My nose feels sore and raw from the intensity of the sneezes. Looking around the bathroom, there's a dusting of glitter powder everywhere. I turn back towards the mirror and look at my reflection. My nose is still red and puffy, and from the sneezes, and there's a small line of glitter yellow powder trailing from my nose to my upper lip. I grumble, trying to wipe off the powder with a damp washcloth. It only seems to make it worse, spreading the glitter mess around even more. But finally, I'm able to get it off. I take a step back from the mirror and examine my reflection. And once more, my nose is pink and my eyes were watery. Watery from all the sneezes, but at least the glitter powder is gone. I take a deep, shaky breath and try to compose myself. Senses are a little swollen, but at least the urge to sneeze seems to have subsided for the moment. I finish up my makeup and give myself one final once-over in the mirror. My hair, makeup, and outfit all look great. And despite my recent sneezing fit, I think I'm ready for my date. Taking a deep breath, I grab my purse and keys and head out the door, ready to face whatever the night has in store for me. And hopefully, there won't be any more sneezes. The end.